Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube should notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also in that same area, there is a thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber. So if you're enjoying my content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants grow on YouTube. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, really excited. Got one of these fantastic big bags in the mail, which means my IPSY Glam Bag Plus has arrived. So excited to have the opportunity to share this with you guys. In the IPSY Glam bag, this is this month was a $25 a month bag, but in the future, this is going up to $28. All of them come with 5 full-size products, plus the gift of a bag that is included with always these fantastic themes. And this month is fantastic. So for the month of October, this is still just a material very similar to like a pillowcase type of material. That is what it looks like here. It's a drawstring. You close it, and what they did so fantastic is they matched the green with the little bit in green here. There's a lot of thought that goes into this, and I really enjoy getting these. And I always share with you guys, I put my masks in here, my safety pins, my elastics. I travel with these. I think these are little fantastic little gifts, and they're free. So it's something that IPSY does different than other bags. So I'm always happy to share that with you. In the box, you do get a card, but usually in the Plus, there's no information about the products that are inside the box, because with this bag, you get to customize 3 items. They choose 2, and then they give us a choice of some items, and then we get to choose 1 in each one of those lines where we get 3. I share those with you when we do the customizations. I share with you all of that information as well as the add-ons. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I really hope you do, because I share a lot of information with a lot of products that I try, and I try to help you make some of those decisions. So this month it's called the Wicked Pretty Wicked. This is, like I said, for October 21. And then this one here is inside. The information is, and it's really cute, it's the last minute Halloween plans. Here's some DIY 3 easy makeup looks. And they have here, and I think it is really cute and a really nice idea to put inside the card. So excited about getting that. And then of course they have on the back some information about the Glam Bag X, which is going to be the collaboration with ULTA, which I'm really excited, and you'll have the opportunity to see that on my channel as well. So excited to be able to share all this information with you. All right. If you're not familiar with my channel, I do take a picture for Instagram first, and if you're not following me on Instagram, you are missing out. The name on Instagram for me is True Wants with the number 2. I unpackage everything to make sure that everything is in good condition and try to undo any wrapping, so that when I'm sitting down here, we're just talking about the products. I also prepare the day that I do all these selections, I go on and I take the information down so that I have the information to be able to share with you guys, because some of these products are new to me, and I want to make sure to give you the information about the products as well. So starting with what they chose for me, this one here is one that I've shared with you in the past. I have received this in the Allure magazine, and I was also gifted some PR from IPSY. If you haven't seen that video, it is fantastic. I will leave that linked down below. And so I started reusing it again, because the one that I had, I used all the way to the end because I was seeing results with this product. So I'm leaving that one here in the box. So I'm going to take the one out that came in the PR, because this was on my counter, because I started using this as soon as I received it. Because like I said, when I know I like a product is when it goes all the way to the end, and with all the products that I have to use, I chose to use this one all the way to the end because I saw results. What I do want to share with you guys, this product does have a very strong, it reminds me like a potent vitamin C, that has some medicinal scent to it. So if you're very sensitive to scents, this might, be something that it's not like a pleasant scent. I'm not going to tell you it isn't, but I do see results with this. So I just want to show you that it is this type of consistency, and this is all that I wear when I'm using this product. I don't do anything over it. So let me share a little bit of information about it, what they wrote about it here. It's called the Dermalect Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. This is a $42 value on its own, and it is full size. You're definitely getting the values here, but to me, I always tell you the value of a bag or a box is based on the items and if you're going to use the items. It really doesn't matter that this costs this amount of money, because when you're part of IPSY and BoxyCharm and getting subscription boxes, we have access to add-on sales and all these great little bundles and things. So we never really pay the full retail for anything. So don't let that retail price like say, oh, you know, I'm afraid to fall in love with the product or so on and so forth. There's so many products to be able to try. And like I said, I used this product about a year ago and I remembered it and had it on my list. So for this is something that I wanted to make sure that if it ever showed up in those other sales that I would have grabbed it. And now it's showing up in an IPSY, where before I only got introduced to it a year ago in Allure. So like I said, this is a $42 value. This is full size. It's a serum. They're saying this is a face and neck serum that uses a blend of firming amino acids. It has exfoliating acids and an antioxidant-rich vitamin C to dramatically help soothe and brighten your skin while you sleep. Apply a few drops to a clean face, neck, and chest before bed. And then if you want, you can follow with a moisturizer. Because I'm a combo girl, I don't follow with any moisturization. And this drinks into my skin really, really quickly, but it does leave that scent. So I want to make sure that if you're, you know, when you get it and you try it, you know, try it and see if it's a scent that, you know, you're able to tolerate. But like I said, I want to make sure that you know about that. This here, it says, it's also vegan and cruelty-free. And about this brand, they're saying it's an award-winning, solution-driven range of all-inclusive, multitasking treatments that combine the best of both nature and science. And I'm telling you, if you can tolerate the scent, to me, this is an absolute win. All right, the next one here is from Wonder Beauty. This one here was also chosen for me. This is the Staycation Hydrating Mask. This is a $38 value. I have enjoyed every product that I have chosen, or it has been chosen for me from Wonder Beauty. I always tell you guys one of my favorite products from this brand is their under eye gold eye patches. I really enjoy those, but there's so much from this brand that I enjoy. This is a full-size product. It is a face mask, and inside this box, this is what we received here. And it says it is a fast-acting formula that helps restore moisture levels, soothe inflammation, plump fine lines and wrinkles, and improve your skin's texture with a blend of ceramides, plant oils, and peptides. They're saying to use as a rinse-off mask, apply a generous layer to your skin, and then remove it after 15 minutes. And then it says it also can be used as an overnight, as an intensive treatment, or a daily moisturizer for dry skin. Wow, that's such a multi-purpose. Okay, it did come with a safety seal. Let me see if I could take this off. Yeah, we can. And that's, let's see what the product looks like inside. Okay, so I can see why they're saying you can wear this if you're overnight or dry skin. It's not one of those heavy masks. It really goes on like a hydration cream. Look at that. So now I can understand why they're saying you can use it as a moisturizer for dry skin or an overnight. So I might try it, you know, in both ways. The overnight, because I always love doing these overnight treatments, as well as the 15 minutes. So excited about having the opportunity to try another product from Wonder Beauty. The next item here is one that I could not wait to try. And I'm so happy it ended up being one of my choice items, and I saw it also in the add-on. So if it wasn't going to be my choice items, it definitely was going to end up in my bag either way. It is the lip product from Rinna Beauty. This is the Lisa Rinna line. If you're not familiar with Lisa Rinna, she started from where I started to know her was back in the soap days, the soap opera days. I think it was Days of Our Lives. Correct me if I'm wrong, but she came on with these huge lips. None of us knew, at least I didn't, about lip injections or any of those things then. And it was only later in life that she started to let the secret out that that's what her lips are. They're not her natural lips. But for her to come out with a lip line, I think is so perfect. So I wanted to have the opportunity to try something from her line, and now I can. So this is her, let's see what it says. It's called the Icon Collection Lip Gloss. The color that I received here is called Guilty Pleasure. This is, again, full size. It's $19. It's a lip gloss. It says it's soft, smooth, shiny, and ultra shimmery. One swipe of this champagne pink gloss instantly makes lips look more fully and juicy. The formula is the ultra lightweight. It feels comfy, not gooey, but rich enough to last on our lips for hours. It says you could wear it alone or layer it over your favorite lip pencil or even a lipstick. It's 100% vegan, so it's made without any animal byproducts. And then it says this was founded by the actress, the author, the designer, the beauty guru, Lisa Rinna, and it's founded by her namesake line with the goal of empowering women and helping them to shine their brightest. Isn't that great? Okay, so this is, first of all, I'm a lip gloss girl to begin with, so this wasn't that much of a stretch, but I'm so excited to have the opportunity to try. It is a smaller applicator, but it does have that tilt to it, which makes it so easy to apply. And I will put it over here so you guys will be able to see the color. So really, really excited. It is that perfect shade. It's just a happy color. I am so excited to have this now in my arsenal. The next item was a choice item for me, and I couldn't believe that this was a choice item because this is a very expensive cream. You'll hear the value, but like I said, pay no attention to the retails because we get access to these products from 111 Skin because of IPSY and now BoxyCharm as well. This is the Eclipse Recovery Cream. They're saying this is a $280 value. This is the full size moisturizer. This is the box that it comes in here, and this is the product over here. And this is the one that's made with the NACY2, which is their formula that they make this with, which I did a whole video solely on 111 Skin when we started getting those a lot about boosters and all the other products because I was seeing results from their products. So I had to learn more about their brand. And this brand was really exclusive for the longest time in the UK at Harrods, like those type of department stores that are very high end. So the fact that we're getting this in our boxes and we're able to feel the luxury of these type of creams with these type of ingredients is such a privilege. I'm over the moon about getting this type of brand in the boxes. It says, boy, does this baby have benefits. This is a super rich concentrated cream that nourishes skin while helping it recover from the environmental aggressors. It's packed with the hyaluronic acid and it helps lock in hydration, plump up the skin along with the technology that I just mentioned. And then it says it helps promote the production of collagen and elastin. They're saying if your skin is dry, damaged, or just simply dehydrated, this formula will help give it that instant refresh. 111 Skin was founded by a globally renowned cosmetic surgeon, Dr. Yanis Alexandrites. Each of the brand's scientifically packed products is developed to address a wide range of skin concerns. So like I said, I'm so blown away by this brand and I love having the opportunity to show this with you guys. So that is what this looks like here. It looks like it's totally been left unsettled. So I'm just going to show it to you there. And then I will take a little bit off the cover here. And that is what the cream looks like here. There is no scent to his products. So it is really nice when you get the opportunity to try, like I said, such a luxury brand in a subscription box, especially one, that's still, $25, $28. It's crazy to me that they're able to do this, but the marketing alone that they're able to have the reach by putting them in these subscription boxes is pretty sure why they're doing it, because like I said, I am so sold on this brand, and it also drinks into my skin and leaves this beautiful soft feel to it. So really excited that so many people are going to have the opportunity to have this in their bag. And then the final product was one that also I was so excited that it was a choice for me. It is from the brand called Real Her, and I've shared with you about this brand also on my channel. I fell in love with this brand through their lip products, their lip pencils, their lip glosses, their lipsticks. And I fell in love with them and got them and paid full retail for them. That's how much I enjoyed this brand. So now we're seeing this more and more in a lot of the boxes as well. So I'm really happy about this because the story behind this is really nice. The owner is a father and he had a daughter and he wanted to do things that were empowering. And a lot of his things are called with very his expressions that he puts on down are very empowering. So this one says it's called the Power Wear Ombre Bronzer in Bronzed Beauty. It comes in this box. The reason I'm not holding this up is because it's a rose gold, gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. It's just the reflection would be just too much for you guys. So this one is the bronzer. It is full size. It says, give your skin that instant glow with this natural looking bronzer. It is a silky smooth powder that blends like a dream, and a long wear formula is infused with antioxidants to help protect your skin. Use a makeup brush to lightly dust it over your temples, across your cheeks, and along your jawline, and then blend using all these circular motions. It's vegan and cruelty free. And about the brand, they're saying, now this is the feel-good brand we can really get behind. Real Her is a gorgeous, high-quality line founded by a devoted father who was inspired by the birth of his beautiful daughter. And I remembered that story because I read up on it when I fell in love with his brand. I wanted to learn more and more about it. So let me see how to open this. I think I'm opening it on the wrong side. Here we go. All right, there's a mirror inside here, so I want to open it this way here. That's what it looks like here. I'm just going to make sure there's no cream left on my fingers. I'm going to try to use this finger, and I will show you what the color looks like here. And that's what it looks like there. Really, really beautiful. So it feels very smooth and very silky, and it's a really beautiful color. And so the color on this is Bronzed Beauty. And I will make sure to leave everything in the description box down below. I know it's a lot of extra work to write down all the descriptions with the pricing and all that in the description box, but I do it also for me, so that if it's something I fall in love with and I want to learn more about it, I can then go back to the video and then I can look in the description box for the name as well as how much it costs and so on and so forth. So I hope you guys enjoyed that I do that as well. Please share with me in the comments if you've also already received your Plus bag. This is really exciting that it's coming mid-month, but I want to make sure that you guys also share in the comments if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products and what your thoughts are on them as well. And also, if you can, please leave your skin type. So if you're a dry skin girl and you've tried this, I'd love to know what your thoughts are on that, because I could only talk in reference to the combo skin. Even though now my skin is changing so much that parts of it are dry, parts are combo, and parts are still oily. But that gives me the opportunity to try so many products. All right, guys, take care, stay well, and I'll see you all again soon in my next video. Bye for now.